There's Juan and Chemi walking into the main pool of the Goddess Waterfall. He wants to see how deep it is. He's treading carefully. Look at that gorgeous waterfall. Oh, there he is. He's going in for a little swim here, right underneath the waterfall. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, one of my favorite waterfalls. Oh, such a blessing. Such grace. Yay! Beautiful.